Imagine a world where coal mines flooded constantly until 1712, when Thomas Newcomen unleashed the atmospheric engine. This giant clanking beast used steam to pump water out of mines, making deep mining and the entire industrial revolution possible. It was the first practical steam engine, a true game changer, like the iPhone of its day. But here's the twist. It was so inefficient, it burned tons of coal. Still, it paved the way for James Watt's improvements. Ever heard of this tech marvel? Know another weird invention I should feature next? Follow for more.